Hi, I'm Jason and I'm from Australia. I've been doing technical support for over 10 years, with over 6 of them supporting Apple products at AppleCare. I'm an Apple certified technician, though I do have quite unsteady hands, which isn't great for helping with small, delicate, and very expensive parts. So I've mostly done phone support over the 10 years. So the majority of my support experience has been guiding people of random skill sets over the phone and guiding them through to help get their issues resolved. Over this time, I've also had a number of Apple devices that I've used personally as well. I've liked, I've liked computers and gadgets since I was a child, and that developed further while I was studying IT at university. After finishing my degree, I did a bit of traveling and then got into the tech support industry. From my time providing technical support to people, I've found that it's best to help people achieve the best outcome for them, rather than going and promoting the latest or greatest product just because it's available. My whole view on technology is that it should be about improving the life of the user, whether by making tasks easier, more efficient, or faster. I don't promote people to upgrade to the latest and greatest device simply because it's available or because it has more features, especially when there might be features that the person won't use or that they might find confusing and make their life more difficult. So with my latest endeavor into YouTube and blogging, I'm hoping to give people the advice so that they can get the right device for them and so that they can get the most out of that device. I look forward to this latest challenge and I hope that you enjoy the content that I'm able to provide you with. Look forward to the new iOS video every Monday and the latest information about Mac devices on Thursday.